When we say herbs for hair, it means herbs for hair. Whether your hair is natural or not, using natural ingredients in your hair care will always do you better. Today I'll be sharing with you how I combine the two herbs aloe vera and hibiscus for my own hair care routine. Hibiscus strengthens the hair, promotes hair growth, treats dry and itchy scalps, and makes the hair thicker. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer for hair, and other properties are just similar to that of hibiscus. Combining the two herbs makes a great conditioner for hair. When using it, leaves the hair smooth and soft. Right here I'm having my aloe vera and the hibiscus leaves. These are my hibiscus leaves. They are the summer leaves, that's why they're not all green. If we are the winter or the fall, they usually look very nice, but this one is summer and they look a little bit yellowish on the sides, but they are still fresh and they are nice. So now I'm just going to put my hibiscus leaves aside, and then I'm going to work on aloe vera first by removing the bark of the aloe vera and taking only the gel from inside. I'm having two different types of aloe vera right here. They have different species. One is bigger and one is smaller one. They just come like this. These are bigger and they usually come in this form. They are big. And this one here, they are small ones. And I'm going to use both of them. So after cutting into cubes like this, I go ahead and clean all the surface and the aloe vera to ensure that I get rid of all the latex. You see this, the yellow surface on the edges. When you're removing aloe vera, you see some yellow jelly. This one, the one that you get rid of, it can have some reaction to your skin in case you use it. Now after getting the aloe vera gel like this, I'm going to put in the mixer before adding the hibiscus leaves. You can as well cut the hibiscus leaves into smaller pieces depending with the type of the mixer you are using, or if it's the blender, to make it easier. After blending the two together, I just keep it in my bottle like this for some hours to concentrate before I sieve it for use. Just do like that and close, and then shake a little bit and keep it for some hours before I use it. So now after it has stayed for some hours, or sometimes I do keep in the fridge until the next day when I'm ready to use it, then I just use a piece of cloth to sieve out and remain with only the water, because when I use the whole content, it can be hard to rinse out from your hair. So it's better to sieve like this so that you remain with only the juice. Some people, they usually put the whole content on the hair, but it depends with the texture of your hair. If If your hair is kinky like mine, my sister, you have struggled to clean it out. Here it is. I just strained it and place it back in the bottle. Next, I'm just going to put the solution into my hair in sections. I'll first put in the section, but lastly I'm just going to pour on all my hair. This is freshly washed hair. It's clean, and this one is just a conditioner. So I'm just conditioning my hair after shampoo. I went ahead and placed the quantity into a smaller bottle for easy application. Yeah, so I don't think this is a different solution, it's just the same one, but I placed it in a smaller bottle. To make it better and easier, I always bend my head like this, and then I just pour from the back side and letting it flow to the forehead, just like that. After pouring to my hair and ensuring that all the hair is covered, I let the excess drain out by itself, and then I just go ahead and massage my hair thoroughly, and then I'll also comb. When you're combing your hair, you feel like the hair is so soft. This conditioner makes the hair so soft, and then after combing my hair, go ahead and just collect my hair together. That's how I usually do. I usually do this in the evening, and I just let this thing stay to my hair until the next day. I'm not afraid of leaving it as minimal as I want. The more you keep into your hair, the more it softens your hair. But if you don't have time to keep it in your hair, just keep it 1 hour or 45 minutes and then rinse out. I love keeping it for more hours for better result. That's how I love it. So just like that, then I rinse out the next day, and the hair feels really soft.